Hello. Today we're going to be going through some search tips to help narrow down things on Google when you need to find something. First, we're going to start with the use of the word or the character plus. So let's say we search Mustang because we want to find the animal Mustang, but the only results that show up are the one about the car made by Ford. What we can do is use the plus sign and add animal because we know the horse is an animal. And this will narrow down our search results so that we only find the animal and we don't have to worry about any results revolving the car showing up. The next thing we're going to use is the colon and a website feature. So let's search New York Yankees. So this will show up results, games, schedules, things like that. But let's say we want to find stuff for their statistics on ESPN. Well, we can add a colon and then the website name. So in this case, ESPN.com, and all of our results will show up on ESPN. And here we can find things like stats, and this can be used when you want to find anything really on a specific website. Now, the last thing we'll use is the OR function. So we'll write this in capital letters and we'll put this in between two things we want to find. So let's say dark chocolate or white chocolate. So now we can use this to find anything with white or dark chocolate. And this can be useful when you want to find multiple things at the same time.